we have a pretty cool video for you guys today. We came out to Adelanto, California, Adelanto Stadium for the Noise and Toys event. We got somebody here, it's running a Baja Bug today, but basically it's a full-on off-road event. They're gonna have like 10 different bands playing later. Cottonmouth Kings is one of them, it's a big name. I don't know if anybody watches or their videos knows who they are, but they're gonna be playing. And then they're gonna be having some drifting going on. They got an off-road track, I guess, with some cars, bikes, doing shit on it, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna start cruising around, check it out. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, like it.
I got the world singing. I got your girl singing. Why, hey, huh, hey, step to us, you get 5, hey. I got 400, say none, I'm triple. Scope in the dome and make them out of phone. That's when you bring it back to the back. I'm just pick one, smash my mama lap. After with immaculate bastard, cake smasher. Yeah, I'm you walking the beat, break faster. Young, get on fucking down.
Travis Jones out here, he's messing around with his RC car. They got this over here. Yeah, we got this one over here. He's got the paddles on that thing. So badass, dude. The paddles for the release traction.
Yeah, it goes up that hill nice and easy.
Ripping, dude. Wheels it back on the wheels. Oh, demo. pits of the Noise and Toys. Checking all the rides. Some badass rides here. We got Blake Wilkie, he's in the house. With his Land Shark, I think is this one he calls. We go Baja Bow with fucking 40-inch tires. Monsters, man. Inside of this thing, cockpit. Badass. Got that one here. Looks like he's got his class 11 here. He's got his rig. Look at this, we got someone at the Trump, Take America Back 2024, yeah! The badass flag right there, huge, we need that flag. We need that flag for the house, hang that in the front, let people know. Let's get this country back together. Let's make this country great again, healthy again, and awesome again. Take our country back.
Ask Jason where he's at. Why is it that crap in idle jets? Ask Jason.
Got Jones Fab here, cruising around the Baja Bug. It's a sick ass ride he's got here. All built himself. Jones Fab there in Upland.
Thank you. See that shit? You're launching it.
You don't even want the smoke. Ready for whatever, so even when the lights flame back, don't be like that to me. Nothing's gonna stop me, no.
I wish I had a light on this thing where you guys could see better, but we're at night watching these guys drift. Well, that was a cheesy one.
That didn't work.
Yeah, I don't know what they were trying to do. Here we go. Here we got some going again. Well, not too bad. It's gotten pretty fucking cold out here. I can't feel my fingers or toes, but it's been a fun time in the desert. I'm in Adelanto, California.